Day? Okay, daytime.
Going, this is daytime. What were you trying to do to me?
What?
Did you try to spawn something? You got ammo. What?
Huh?
You're hiding that from me? Why'd you try to kill me again? Yeah.
Okay, so... Oh, you can hit F and activate your flashlight.
I know that. This game is just
Yeah.
Lego Harry's mod. Do you have the same mod I do?
Yeah.
Which one is it? What's it called? For flying.
It's fly mode, or whatever it's called.
Yeah, fly mode, yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, so what are we gonna do now?
Okay, what car are we gonna get to float? Or what boat are we gonna be able to float?
Gavin, are these still here?
What?
Over there by the gas tanks, look. I'm over here, Gavin. Here's a signal. Are they still here?
What? Or what's still here? Yeah, the gas tanks?
See?
Yeah, they're still here.
Yeah, I just exploded them all with the hook shot. Okay, so.
Okay. This thing turn. The crane. Can you turn the crane? Don't blow it up. Okay, it's just floating now.
It's on one stick. It's on one stick. And it turned it. Oh, I wonder if you can get on the very edge. Okay, now it's exploding. What the heck? Is this what's floating it? Oh, that's not what was floating it. That was just the top. No, what's floating it? Is it all just... It was all fake, Gavin. Where'd you go, Gavin?
I'm gonna spawn a boat. I'm going to spawn a wooden boat. Too basic. Did you see it spawning?
Oh no, it's floating.
No, I don't want that. Let's try it. Why not?
What? I didn't. It's not even destroyed. What do you mean?
You see it? You shot the rocket at it and it's still spawning it.
Where is it? I don't see a hole. I see smoke, but that's from the light.
Yeah. When I placed it, it replenished itself. It repaired itself.
I have an idea. We go underwater and put the rockets from there.
Wait, it's actually really hard to do that.
Yeah, well, yeah, because you keep going up.
Yeah.
Yep. Why are you milk whipping? Oh yeah, I forgot you keep going. So if you don't have the mod that I have, or that I don't even know the name of, that made me invincible. Like I'm just gonna be. So I pressed the blank button. I don't know. I think it's called like unkillable. I don't know.
Let me know what about. There. I was able to know like.
Ew, there's piss all over the walls. Ew. Who peed?
We're gonna make this thing fly.
You're gonna make that thing fly.
Make it sink.
Make it sink.
Just on the back of the ship.
I took him out.
Why'd you put nitric whistle in on it?
So that when you turn it on, we all die. No, it did. it's connected by a cable.
It is.
Let's see how much damage I can do to it before it sinks. I want to see how much damage I can do to it before it sinks. There's a giant hole in the bottom. I'm destroying it. There you go. Yep, that's what made it stop. Is it still going?
Oh, okay. Oh no.
Still move this a little bit. Just a little bit. Oh my gosh. How does this go up? Is it out of health yet? Quickly, Gavin. No! Oh, it's still up. Great! I think it sunk now. I got it slowly spun down. Oh, hey, this one.
Oh, I was gonna get in that.
Okay, new boat.
Yeah, you know the boat I'm going for.
No, not that one. I'm not trying to blow anything up, except for that. Respawning. Not the Titanic.
Okay, so.
I almost chopped it in half already. Ignite? Ignition
In theory,
button.
This should sink the ship, right?
In theory, yes. Yeah, because it doesn't work in reverse. It's fine. You can just made it back heavy.
Okay, I'm getting.
You drive it. You drive it. You drive it. You drive it. You drive the half cut boat. I'm gonna pull it out. And I'm gonna cause some damage to the front. This is the least important part of the ship, the very front.
I'm just slowly backing up.
Yeah, because you can't see.
Can't like push it.
How? With rockets. Okay, now use it. Let's see how this goes.
There we go.
Yeah, it was too heavy. I had to.
You have to go forward and then back.
Just make sure. The bottom's going down. Just repeat it for the front.
Huh?
Then just repeat it for the front.
Yeah.
So it's not top, front heavy. There you go.
Looks like a
How
shark.
does it go up? I know, it's like a giant. Oh my gosh, don't get too close to it. Looks like a giant blade.
Looks like a shark. It just sunk.
No, well, because you just pushed it all the way. Half of it's underwater. No, we gotta destroy it, otherwise the frames will die. Okay.
Yeah, you can also just do that.
Hi, George.
Have you ever wanted to know how to sink a ship without actually crashing it? Yes.
No break. Without crashing the ship.
Yes.
Well, this isn't crashing it, this is bombing it.
This poor thing suffer.
Well, crashed it, does exploding it with my rocket launcher count as... Oh no, why did I didn't deserve that, Gavin.
Okay, is that enough?
Why'd you do that to
Is
me?
this
Wait,
enough?
no.
Doesn't need more. I think this is enough.
It just snapped in half.
Did you see that?
I know, I just saw it just snapped.
Did you see what happened?
Ooh.
I'm gonna do this one.
Yeah, the ship survived. Wait. Let me lighten the load.
Oh no, what did I do? I made this one all kinds of movie.
Come back up. No. Yeah, it's sunk. What'd you do? Oh my gosh. Yeah, no, that's not gonna work, Gavin. Keep it. There's still a chance to save it.
Yes, because saving it is shooting it with a rocket.
No, breaking off the heavy part with the rocket. It went through the ship.
Ready? Here we go. Here we
Wait,
go.
no, I'm not ready yet. I'm not ready yet.
Ready? Ready?
Yeah, now I'm ready. Not again. You got kicked out. Save it. Oh, that's. It's missing. No, it works. It has a giant. It just has a giant hole in the front. Okay, we don't need that. Or the back. We don't need the back. Okay. The motor boat. What about the front? I don't think it needs that. Oh, no, that's the one thing it needed. Never mind.
Wanna go to another map that has ships?
That has what?
Like descent.
Yeah, just a bunch of ships. The battleships now.
Oh, look at this one. This one looks meaty.
I'm gonna try to make this one last. That means I have to save it. What are you doing to it? No, that's gonna do a whole backflip. I mean front flip. It's a sword. Just put a giant plank at the edge. Yeah, no, I can't save that. It's grinding itself.
I want to make a boat that goes like at Mach 1 speed. Or
You have to use rockets, like actual rockets for that.
the rockets. The rocket booster.
Or you have to get a very light boat. Or like a very light boat.
It's propane tank.
No.
Fast.
No.
You can also do that. Okay, fine. I will make this battle bus go super fast.
The battle boat?
Yeah.
No, that's a children's school bus. You don't make it go fast. You get a gun and you go inside. And you look for all the little kids. Ah, I'm the big bad quiet kid that everyone made fun of. I'm so angry. I'm gonna bomb this bus.
What? That's a bit dark.
Haha. Ah, this bunch of this bomb is rigged to explode when it hits the wall. Can I open up the front? It's Fort Washington, Gavin. Oh shoot, I dropped pipe bomb. No, the nitroglycerin. Quickly, oh no. No, I made a mistake. Oh,
It's
did you die? For me, it's not. It's like half broken.
driving it.
Why is it so fast? How is it still working? The gift. Well, if you crash, you die. Stop doing donuts. Why is it flying? Wait, oh my god, wait, the back's up. I think it's from all the nitroglycerin lifting it up. It's the nitroglycerin. It's up. Because it's on the wheel. What happens if I put it on all 4 wheels? Stop. Stop, let me put it on all 4 wheels. Oh my gosh! You died.
I put it back up. I was hitting S and it wasn't going. It wasn't back
Yeah,
up.
it says it's rocket boosters. Also, because you have nitroglycerin on the back.
Yeah.
Look at that. Oh my gosh, look.
Let's do this with a monster truck. Where's the
Okay,
monster
wait.
truck at?
I want to see, what if I put it on all the wheels? It's back here.
Where is it?
Over here.
Wait. What? Where'd you go?
It was working. Yes, I was right. My theory's
Right
right.
here. Okay, I'm gonna put nitroglycerin on
The
monster
wheels.
trucks.
Okay, maybe it doesn't work. Yeah, I think you can only put it on the back wheels.
If you put it on the wheels, it just does some weird stuff.
It doesn't even explode. You can't explode them. You're only supposed to put it on 2 wheels, otherwise they don't work. It just grinds itself.
I'm gonna put it on the Lambo.
Yeah, there you go. Oh gosh. We did it! The answer wasn't rockets. The answer wasn't rockets, it was nitroglycerin.
Now just smack some bombs on it so they can go fast and sort of.
Bombs?
No, not that kind of bombs.
Nitroglycerin?
You can put it on top. No.
What do I put on it? You said... Stop. It's hard to do this because you keep moving. I think it's like being nerfed by the nitroglycerin.
We need more.
I can't get more. Here, look, I'll try. Oh, you're making it flip a whole nother direction now.
It's just gonna stay up there. That's amazing.